What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update. And of course, hopefully there's been some progress, but we wanted to show off something else over here at the movie theater. They're still showing off some of the older movies like Jurassic Park. They're also showing Tenet. And guess what? You and your friends can rent out an entire movie theater starting at $99. It's not a bad deal. Nothing new from what I can see right now for the rumored Universal Studios store. Still have those overhangs. Yeah, really nothing different over here to note, so we'll move on. Yep, that's right. We're headed into Islands of Adventure.
5 p.m., so just make sure you plan accordingly.
Nobody really at the ticket booths. Turnstiles on the right are not in operation. Ones on the left are. And there's no wait. Yep, no wait like usual. We're on our way. Let the adventure begin. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 6 p.m. Hulk is at 10 minutes. Doctor Doom is 15 minutes 25 for Kong. P-Flyers is at 10 minutes. Forbidden Journey at 10 minutes. On the next page we can see Seuss Trolley 5 minutes. Carousel 5 minutes also. Fly of the Hippogriff 5 minutes. 45 minutes for the Hogwarts Express. Hagrid's is at 60 minutes. Dudley Do-Rights is at 10 minutes. Not too bad today, not too busy. Hello, Jurassic Roller Coaster Project, and man, does it feel weird not seeing a tower crane above the entire site. I gotta say though, a lot of work going on for the station area right now. The rest of the course looks good, and we know a train is now on the track, so they should be doing a pull-through sometime over the next week or two. These guys have also been partying way too hard. Something else to note is Hulk, along with a couple other attractions, have gotten rid of their every other row seating. As we can see it right here, all the rows are being utilized right now. Only thing that's a bummer, still no water fountains. A couple days ago, the water attractions were having some issues, so we were not able to get a view over here by Me Ship the Olive of the Jurassic coaster. Well, that's changed today. Let's go. Hey look, it's Scuba Steve. last update, we showed you over by the turnaround a bunch of supports that had their final concrete underneath the foundations, and we can see right over here by the top hat, more of that. Well, it appears here that portions of the top hat will see some netting as there's braces right here on the support. And it appears that a little bit of cable management has been done for the elusives at the top of the top hat. It appears here the second launch tunnel, the very end of it, has seen a little bit of theming. It appears more piles are being taken out currently. Well, it appears the water attractions are doing better today on this visit. As we can see, Deadly Do-Right doing its thing. And sure enough, folks, we have a train right there all wrapped up on the brake run. Looks like we have a little maintenance on the midway over here by Kong. Welcome back to Wall City, located right next to the Jurassic Park River Adventure. Again, we can see all of those walls and fences up. Lots of scaffolding all over the place, and the rock work is getting some texture now, looking really good. First show building area is looking good, and then the tunnel leading from the station area, well, most of it is enclosed now. VIP suite.
with those that island of the vision. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to ask in the elusive.
Now we're over here by the bypass bridge and we can see some of those braces for the eventual netting. Well, they're getting some work. Oh, hey, look, some of the construction walls are down over here. My gosh, it appears the Osprey has returned. We have a live raptor again at the top of the top hat. Yep, like usual, tons of construction fish. So we're not going to make it over to studios today, but we do want to touch base on a couple different things. The park just announced that there's going to be 2 daytime haunted attractions. One of them is called Revenge of the Tooth Fairy. The other one, Universal Monsters, The Bride of Frankenstein Lives. Oh, and guess what? We're also going to have trick-or-treating over here at IOA. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update, and I am happy to report that we saw live raptors. Yes, the Osprey has returned to the top of the top hat, and fake raptors. They're going to be a part of the attraction. We also saw a train on the brake run, which is awesome. Lots of other theming stuff going on. Of course, we touched base about some of the Halloween things as well. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.